Greatness? Well, greatness exists in all of us. But the fear of failure can stop you from discovering what you're truly capable of. Our biggest fear is not that we're inadequate. Our biggest fear is that we're powerful beyond measure. Nothing is impossible, no matter how bad things seem, no matter how bad things look. You will come out on top, you will achieve greatness. You just have to believe. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by people who find it easy to live in the world they've been given rather than explore the power that they have to change it. Impossible is not a fact, it's an option. Impossible is not a declaration, it's a dare. Impossible is potential, impossible is temporary, impossible is nothing. Too many people go through life waiting for things to happen instead of making them happen. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Expect the best, prepare for the worst, and capitalize on what comes. What are you capable of? What will your legacy be? Face your fears, achieve greatness. The Red Room.